2019 Infiniti QX60. If you want to know where your cabin filter is, it's going to be located back here behind this panel you have right here, or up in the corner behind the glove box. This panel is actually removable. You actually just grab a corner of it, you can pull it right off. It's just clipped on. The filter is actually located in this compartment right here. I'm gonna push up on this little tab and you can remove the door. The filter is stuffed way into here, okay? It's actually kind of hard to get to. But stick your finger up in there, and it's not an easy thing to get out. Let me tell you. I did a number with these cabin filters, but you gotta have to kind of dig it out. That is not any fun. Okay. You can see how it comes out. It comes out kind of smushed. You're gonna have to put the new one in that way. This one's actually pretty clean, so I'm not gonna take it all the way out. But it is kind of smushed up in there, if you can see it. But you're gonna have to smush the new one in and straighten it out the best you can and replace that door. Hope that helps you out.